Hello everyone, in this video we're going to explore how to achieve perfect marks for the AQA A2 Lit Paper 1. We're going to be looking at section B. So first of all, let's think about the structure of our exam paper. So paper 1, which is 40% of your entire A level, is a 3-hour length examination. Paper 2, also worth 40%, 2 hours and a half. And obviously your coursework then is a remaining 20%. The paper itself is split into 3 sections, each of an equal weighting of 25 marks. First is on Shakespeare, the second is a themed focus, and the last section is a comparison. A couple of questions then, or a question at least for you here, is how do you plan your response? And how do you write the response? So hopefully you should know these answers already and you've been revising previously. Pause this video, start to note down what you think the answers are to these 2 sections, and then we'll continue when you're ready. Okay, let's look at the mark scheme first and foremost. So for us to achieve full marks here, 25 marks, there's a fairly equal weighting of the assessment objectives. So the first 2 assessment objectives, so your ability to create an argument and your ability to then analyse language, form and structure, are both worth 7 and 6 marks effectively. So you're looking there to come up with effective persuasive ideas, making sure you include terminology throughout. And again, you need to then ensure that you are analysing those ideas thoroughly in a perceptive way in order to achieve those 6. Then we're looking at AO3, which is our context, which is also 6 marks. Again, we're looking for the perceptive understanding of context. And remember, context here can be literary, it can be context within the extract, it can also, of course, be historical and social. Then we're looking for some connections between our texts, which again are only 3 marks in this section. So do bear that in mind when you consider the weighting of your connections. And again, we're looking at different interpretations, AO5, your use of feminist perspective, what other writers have said, etc., etc. So, thank you very much. And then when you're ready, please move along to our next video to see how we can develop your answer further. Thank you.